Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2012 Honda CBR600RR Fireblade. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and have a close look at this Fireblade. It is HPI clear. It's only one owner from new. It is low miles. Get a good look right round it now. We'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around the bike. It is in gloss, black and red. Let's start having a look over at the left hand side. Good look through at the radiator there and the front wheel. Let's get a look over the left hand side on the fairing, try and get as low down as we can. All looking nice and tidy there. Get a look at the tank on this side. Close look down here, check the chain and the sprocket. And the back wheel. Good look at the seat. As you can see, it's got the Akrapovic exhaust on it. Let's move round to the back. I'll move round to the right hand side now. Look over the tank. Let's get a look at the back wheel from this side. Get a better look at the exhaust from this side as well. Let's check all the plastics on this side. Let's get low down. What we'll do, we'll go and have a look at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Right, so have a look up at the controls. So it's just standard layout on this. You've got your throttle, front brake, kill switch, starter on that side. Go to the side, you've got your clutch obviously, and you've got your lights, hazards, indicators and horn. And we'll flick this on, get the mileage off it. As you can see, it's done 2,054 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see close up, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn and Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.